Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing how to make these beautiful floral patterns using brush pens. So let's get started. I'm using Tombow and Koi brush pens for this, and I have cut down the 180 GSM CANSON paper into A5 size and have also made a rough boundary using pencil. So the first pattern is making this loose daisies, and for that I'm using the yellow and brownish shades of Koi brush pens. So I'm here just touching the yellow brush tip with the brown brush tip so as to have this beautiful blending effect, and for every daisies I'll be doing like this. This technique is really simple and gives you a beautiful blending effect. So instead of using a single color, you can try out this technique, and this works with any sort of brush pens. So you can try out this technique with any brush pens that you have and it should work. So I'm just making the random daisies in different directions, leaving some spaces in between for adding the leaves. Now I'm using the dark green shade for adding the leaves, and I'm making this small leaf branch and I'm adding these tiny leaves. So I'm first making this branch along with the flowers, and if any blank space will left thereafter, then you can add some loose leaf branch in the random directions to cover up that blank space. For the next one, I'm using the red and black shades, and I'm touching the red brush tip with the black one to have this blending effect. And I'm making these small tiny flowers randomly in the different directions. Now I am using the brown shade to add some stems and leaves along with these flowers, and then to fill up the empty spaces I will add some more tiny leaves. So these were some really easy floral patterns that I think you should definitely give a try. And if you're new to my channel and would love to see more of my work, then please hit the subscribe and bell button to stay connected, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care, bye bye.